Hello guys, welcome again to Matrix Engineers YouTube channel. In our previous video, we was talking about uh, Python numbers, or numeric data type. So for now, we are going to learn about Python string, how we declare variables related to Python string, how to modify string, and other things. So let's start. So you have to do the practice according to what you're going to do right now. So this is what you covered in our previous video, Python numbers. Now we are going to create string. So now in Python, when we say string in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. For example, if we write matrix, this is a string matrix. This is the same as matrix. When we say in Python, string are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Matrix with a single quotation marks is the same as matrix with double quotation mark. Let's do this a comment. Let's make it a comment. So let's print a string, for example. Print hello matrix engineers. You see, when we run our string, you see hello matrix engineers, but you can also write print. This is for the first teaser with a double quotation marks. Now we are going to use a single quotation mark. Hello matrix 2023. You see, here is a single quotation marks, and here is a double quotation mark. When you run all are the same, we are going to get the output. So we can assign a string to a variable. For example, m equal matrix. This is a variable, and we assigned its value matrix. So assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign or equal sign in the string. You know, this is a variable, this is the equal sign, and this is the string that we assigned to the variable m as its value. We can display the output by writing print m. We are going to get the value of matrix. You see, it's a matrix. We can also use a single quote here. Single quote. You see? It is the same. We can use single quotation or double quotation marks to display the output of the string. So this is how we assign a value to a variable. This is a string value to a variable m. So now we are going to see how to display or to assign multi-lining a string. So you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotation or single quotation marks. For example, let's say matrix engineers. Let's start by declaring m. We are going to use three quotation marks, three double quotation marks, or three single quotation marks. Let's start by using single by declaring a variable. Let's say v equal you see we are using single three quotation mark. Matrix engineers make programming look easy, have Python. This is an example of writing multi-line, declaring multi-line on single variables. You can use three single quotation marks or three double quotation marks. We are going to display this text print v. You see, matrix engineers make programming look easy. You have to learn a Python. What you have to know in the result, the line break are inserted as the same as the code. The way you write the string or text in your code is also the way it's going to be displayed on your screen. You see, matrix engineer is the first line. You know we are displaying multiple lines. Matrix engineer is the first line. You see here, matrix engineer. Make programming look easy, second line. Make programming look easy. You have to learn Python is the third line. When you assign multi-lining string, you're going to use three single quotation mark or three double quotation marks. So the way you write the string in your code is also going to be displayed on your screen output. As you have seen, matrix engineers, the first line, make programming look easy. Second line, third line, you have to learn Python. So this is how you display the multi-line by using 3 double quotation marks or 3 single quotation marks. So you can also return the string by slicing. So slicing, you can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. You have to specify the first or the start index and the end index separated by colon to return a part that you want to return. For example, let's say m equal hello programmers. So now we need to we need to display the string hello, not hello. You can write print starting index. You have to know the starting index is 0. We start from 0 for starting index. So in order to display this, we have it write m the starting index is 0. Now we have to start by 1 because we need to start. The starting index is 0, which is equal to h, and we need to start to display the string hello only. We have to start by writing 1 colon 5. So let's display the output. You see, hello. No, the reason why we get hello is this space that we have in a string. When we delete that space, we are going to get hello. You see, the reason why it was coming with L, it's because there was a space. The space is also countable. You see hello, but when we delete this space, we are going to get hello. So this is how you can return the string that you want from the value that you assign it to the variables. So if you want to get, for example, if you leave out the starting index and you write the end index, you are going to get from the beginning of a string to the end of index you defined. You see, we have hello because we leaved out the starting index. It is also, we was starting with 1 where we was getting hello. Now we are going to leave the starting index, so the text will restart from the starting of text up to the end of the index. So you see hello. But also, if you leave this and you write 1, you are going to start the index 1 and bring all left side that are remaining because it didn't define the end index. You see hello programmers. If you write it 0 here, you are going to get hello programmers. So now what you're going to look for our next video is about modifying strings. Thank you.